Hey, I'm a first year student at Polaris. I took PAT last year, April 2025. When I was preparing, I couldn't find real student experiences, just generic advice. So here's the actual story. I was preparing for both JEE and PAT, and for the first few weeks, I was preparing for PAT completely wrong. I was treating it like JEE. Then I realized none of that was going to work. 5 things I wish someone had told me. Real experience, what worked, what didn't. Let's get into it. First thing, PAT is nothing like JEE. When people said PAT test thinking, not memorization, I thought they were exaggerating. They weren't. I expected questions like JEE, maybe easier, maybe different topics. Same approach though. What I got? Questions I'd never seen before. No direct formula to apply. I had to think from scratch. Real example from my test. That was a probability question, not calculate P of A and B. It was, given these constraints, what's most likely to happen? I sat there thinking, which formula do I use? Before realizing there's no formula. I have to count, I have to think. That's what PAT tests. I spent 2 weeks memorizing formulas, complete waste. The questions that appeared were ones I had to think through, not apply a memorized method. Note for 2026. Last year PAT only had one format, aptitude. This year, they're adding a coding track. Same principle applies. It's about thinking, not memorization. Try sample questions from both in the prep kit. Pick what feels natural. Second thing, understanding beats memorization every time. I made formula sheets, probability formulas, permutation combination, everything. Thought if I memorized all formulas, I could solve any problem. Wrong. During the test, there was this permutation question. I knew all the formulas, but the question was phrased where I couldn't just plug numbers in. I had to understand what was actually being asked. The formula was useless without understanding the concept. My friend's approach? She didn't memorize any formulas. She understood concepts. For probability, she understood it as counting. For permutation, as arranging. She scored better than me. What I wish I had done? Instead of memorizing formulas, I should have understood why they work. Then even weird questions make sense. When you're practicing, ask yourself, could I explain this concept to someone who's never seen it? If not, you're memorized. You haven't understood. Third thing, how you practice matters more than how much. I did 300 practice problems. My friend did 50. We got similar scores. She might have scored higher. Why? She practiced smart. I just practiced a lot. What I did wrong? I was grinding through problems, checking if it was right, and then went to the next one. What she did right? She timed herself. PAT is 120 minutes. She practiced under pressure. Thought through problems before solving. What concept this is testing? Reviewed after solving. Why did this work? When wrong, understood a mistake, not just looked at the answer. 50 problems. Each one taught her something. My 300 problems, I was just going through motions. Quality over quantity is not motivational talk, it's real. Practice with a timer, understand your mistakes, that's how you actually improve. Fourth thing, time management can make or break you. During PAT, I spent 15 minutes on one problem. Finally solved it, felt good. Then I realized 10 minutes left for 5 questions. I rushed, made careless mistakes, probably cost me like 20 to 30 marks. That problem I spent 15 minutes on was worth like only 4 marks. The skill is knowing when to move on. If you're stuck for more than 3 to 4 minutes, mark it, move on, come back later if you have time. This is a skill, you have to practice it. When you're doing practice problems, set a timer, stick to it. Don't let yourself sit on one problem forever. I didn't practice this and I paid for it during the actual test. Fifth thing, staying calm is half the battle. About 30 minutes into my test, I hit a problem I couldn't solve. Logic puzzle. Couldn't figure out the approach. I sat there, trying different things. Nothing worked. 15 minutes passed. Still stuck. I started panicking. What if I don't get in? Finally moved on, but I did waste 15 minutes and was stressed. What I should have done? Moved on after like 3 to 4 minutes. PAT is designed to challenge you. Hard problems are expected. The student who panics loses. The student who stays calm wins. Here's the thing. When I came back to that problem later, with 5 minutes left, I solved it in 2 minutes. The problem wasn't that I didn't know how. The problem was I panicked. You know more than you think. Just stay calm, think clearly. So here's a quick recap. PAT is nothing like JEE. Don't prepare like it is. Understanding is always better than memorization. Concepts, not formulas. How you practice matters. Quality beats quantity. Time management. Don't waste 15 minutes like I did. Stay calm. You know more than you think. So what's new this year? The coding track option. Try samples from both before choosing. So when's the next PAT? It's on April 28, 2026. I'm at Polaris now in the first year. You can get here too. All the best.